Hi, you are watching YouTube channel PDMS tutorial. In this lesson we will learn how to create nozzle and place on vessel or dish, and we will also learn in this lesson how to create a hole by negative primitives. So here we want to create nozzle on top of dish. So here your selection should be on dish and go to create. First of all, look on plan side and press F8. Create nozzle. Select nozzle type. ANSYS flange. I want 100. Apply. Dismiss and give it height 150. And here is important thing, we don't know the position of plane, north side, east, west. So here we should on axis, and here we know east is this side, north is this side, and up is upside. So we want it upside. So press U and apply. Dismiss. So it is created in downside. Just look north side and it is created here, and we can put it upside by connect primitive ID point. Select bottom surface, match this point, release the button. Click this surface and match this point, release the button, and no. So here it is created on top side. Suppose we want it on north side. We want nozzle on north side on this surface horizontally. So our selection should be on cylinder. Click on cylinder. Go to press F8 and go to create nozzle, and we want nozzle type same as we have created earlier, and I am giving height 150, and plane we want it on north side. So here N is already, just apply and dismiss. Here it is created in bottom side. So just look on north side. So we will not see in north side. In east it is clearly visible, and we don't know the distance between this face and this face. So we will measure by measuring. Go to this and just apply here graphics and click this surface and match this point, and click this surface and match this point. So here distance is 650. So we want to move in north side by 650, by north 650. So it will comes like this, and we want our cylinder height is 2000. We want exactly middle of it. So just by up 1000. So it will comes like this. Press F8 to graphical view, and you can see here it is created in our top side. So we want to create a hole by negative primitives, and just go create primitives, and I am creating box, 1000 and height 200. Create. So to exit the command, next, it is created middle of it by east 3000. So it will come here. we want hole over this surface. So go to switch to negative primitive. This is a positive primitive and we want hole here, so it will be negative primitive. Negative primitive, you can make a hole, square hole, cylinder hole, rectangle hole, any type of hole you can create here. So I want a circular hole, so I will create cylinder. I'll make sure that your selection should be on box this. Here your selection should be on box. If you not confirm your selection here or not, so go to element and select here this, navigate to element and click this. So it is confirmed that your selection is here, and go to negative primitive cylinder, and I am giving it height 200 because our its depth also 200, and I want 300 circular hole. So create and just next to exit the command. Here hole is created, but hole is not showing. Hole is not showing. So go to setting, graphics, representation, holes drawn, and just apply. Okay, so you will see hole here. So you can use any type of holes, you can create any type of hole by using this. So if you like my videos, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching video.